Let us start with the part 4. We'll continue with the exercise 18.2. So now let us see the question number 7. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 80 dm and 6 meter and altitude is 40 dm. So there is a hint given, that is 10 dm is 1 meter. So for the area of the trapezium, we don't know. So the parallel sides are given as 80 dm and 6 meter. So now let us convert this one. We will write here A is 80 dm. So if we convert this to meter, so you know that is 10 dm is 1 meter. So 80 dm is going to be, we will cross multiply this one. So 80 divided by 10, which is going to be 8. So A is 8 meter and B is given as, that is 6 meter. The height is given as 40 dm. So this also will convert it to meter. So this is going to be 4 meter. So now we are going to use the formula, that is the area of the trapezium, that is a height, half into height into sum of the parallel sides. So half into the height is given as 4 into sum of the parallel sides, means this is the 8 plus 6. So after simplifying this one, we get 2 into 14, which is 28 meter square. So the next question, that is question number 8. The area of a trapezium is 270 centimeters square and the altitude is 9 centimeter, and if one of the parallel sides is 6 centimeter longer than the other, find the length of both the parallel sides. So the area of trapezium is given as 270 centimeters square. The height is given as, that is the altitude, means that is the height, is given as 9 centimeter. So we can say that, because they said if one of the parallel sides is 6 centimeter longer than the other, so let the shorter side be x centimeter. So A is x, so the other side is going to be 6 centimeter longer, means that is going to be x plus 6. So now once this is done, so we'll start with the formula, that is the area of the trapezium is half into height into sum of the parallel sides. So the area of the trapezium is given as 270, half into the height is 9 and sum of the parallel sides, means this is x plus 6. So this is going to be 270 will be 9 by 2 and this will be 2x plus 6. So this will go here. So this is going to 270 into 2 and this will go in the denominator, that will be divided by 9, is going to be 2x plus 6. After simplifying this one, we get this part as 60 is 2x plus 6. So 60 minus this one 6 is going to be 2x. So 54 is 2x. So 54 divided by, this is multiplication, so this will get divided. So x is 27. So we have to find the length of both the parallel sides. So x is 27, so x plus 6 the other side. So that is going to be 27 plus 6, which is going to be 33 centimeters. So the length of the sides, parallel sides, are 27 centimeter and 33 centimeter. The area of the trapezium is 793 centimeters square and the distance between the parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is 42 centimeter, you have to find the other. So the area of the trapezium is 793 centimeters square. The height is given, the distance between the parallel sides, means the height is given as 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is 42, so let us consider this A as 42 and we don't know the other side B. So again, the formula is the same. So now area is given here 793, half into the height 26, 7, the sum of the parallel sides, means here the other side is not given, so 42 plus B. So this is going to be the same here. This will go in the denominator divided by 13 and this will be the same. So after simplifying this one, we get this as 61 is 42 plus B. So this goes here, that will be minus 42 is B is 19. So length of other parallel side is 19 centimeter. So question number 10, the pattern of the iron grills of a window of area 3.78 meter square is in the shape of trapeziums of height 8 centimeter and parallel sides of length 17 centimeter and 25 centimeter. How many trapeziums are there in the grill pattern? So total number, this is the total area of the window, that is given as 3.78 meters square. So this, because the other dimensions are in centimeter, so let us convert this into centimeter. So this is going to be 3.78 into 10,000, which is going to be 37,800 centimeter square. So the height is given here as 8 centimeter and the parallel sides are 17. So A is 17 and the B is 25. So again the same formula, area of trapezium, this is the formula. So here half into the height is 8 and these are the parallel sides, so 17 plus 25. So the answer is 168 centimeter square. The area is 168 centimeter square. Here we want how many trapeziums are there in the grill pattern. So total number of trapezium, that is here, that is the total area of the window, that is 37,800 divided by the area. So this will be, well, after simplifying this, we get this as 225. So 225 is the answer. If AB is 67 centimeter, AD is 41 centimeter and CD is 58 centimeter, find the area of the figure in meter square. So this is a figure given. You can have a look at on the left hand side. So here, same figure I have roughly drawn over here. It's given AB is 67. So this AB is going to be 67. AD is 41. So this AD is 41. And CD is 58. So CD is 58. We have to find the area of it. So here again the given things and we want the area of it. So let us write the formula for the area of the trapezium, sorry. So this is half into, this height is here. This is given as 41. And the sum of the parallel sides means these two sides. These are 58 plus 67. So here will be 20.5 and this will be 125. So here this will be 20.5 into 125, which will be 256. Sorry, here 2562.5 because there is a point over here, that is centimeter square. So we want the area of the figure in meter square. So this is in centimeter. So we are going to divide it by 1000. So this is going to be after dividing by 1000, which will be 0.25 meter square. The perimeter of an isosceles trapezium is 134 centimeter and the parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 27 centimeter in length. You have to find the length of the non-parallel sides of a trapezium and its area. So here the perimeter of the isosceles triangle, that is 134 centimeter given. Then the sum of parallel sides, which is given as 57 and 27 centimeter. And since it is isosceles, the two non-parallel sides are equal. This is the important step here. So we can consider, let each non-parallel sides be x. So now 57 plus 27 plus x plus x. So this is going to be, the perimeter is given as 134. So 64, oh, this will be 84 plus 2x is 134. So 2x will be 134. This will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 84. So 2x is 50. So x will be 50 divided by 2, which will be 25 centimeters. So we can say length of non-parallel sides are 25 centimeter each. And we want here, also they have asked for the area. So now we'll see this is the rough diagram for it. So this is now 27 and this is 57. And we got this, the non-parallel sides we got as, this is as 25 and 25 centimeter. So now we will see the difference in the parallel sides. So now what we can see the difference here, this is 57 and these are the parallel sides. So 57 minus 27, which is going to be 30. So this is actually the hypotenuse of this one. So the hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and the base is 15. So now see here, this is now total, this is 27, this is 57. So we got the difference as 30. For this difference as 30 means this part is going to be 15 and this part is going to be 15 and this is going to be 27. So this is clear. So we can, if we are considering this triangle, so this is a 90 degrees, so this will be the hypotenuse of it. The base is 15 and we don't know what is the height of it. So now see, I'll draw it separately over here. This is the base, this is because this is 90 degree, this is going to be the hypotenuse, which is 25. So, and this is the height of it, so which is unknown. So now to find out the height, the base plus the height square is the hypotenuse square. So 15 square plus height square will be 25 square. So this is going to be 225 plus height square is 625. H square will be 625 minus 225, which is going to be 400. When you square both sides, so H will be root of this 400, so that will be H will be 20 centimeter, because 20 into 20 is 400. So once we get this height, we can find out the area easily. That is using this formula, that half into height into a plus b. So this is half into, we got the height as 20 and a plus b we already know here. So which is 57 plus 27. So which is going to be 840 centimeters square. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.